Assalamu alaikum. Grade 1, take out your social studies book and open your page number 63. Today we are starting Unit 8 and our topic is Earth and Sky. On the ground, the Earth we live on is shaped like a huge ball. Okay, the shape of our Earth is a huge ball. This is how it looks when it is seen from high above in space. Okay, we can see this huge ball from high above the space and it looked like a huge ball. The earth is made up of land and water. So on the earth there are hills and mountains, valleys and rivers, forests, plains, lakes and seas. And on earth there are hills, mountain, valley, river, plain, sea, lake, forest. And there is snow on many high mountain. Look at the mountain. There is snow on many high mountains top. Rivers begin in the mountains. They flow down into the lakes and seas. And the rivers begins in the mountains and they flow down in the lakes and seas. We must look after the earth. It is our home and we must look after the earth because it's our home. We should take care of it. Did you know? See, water is salty. We can't drink it. Okay. The taste of sea water is salty. Here we have question. Where do rivers start and where do they end? Rivers starts from the mountains and they flow down in the lakes and sea. What can be found high up on the mountains? There's a snow on high up on the mountains. And question number 3 is, where does seawater taste like? The taste of seawater is salty. Now open your page number 64. A part, color this picture and match the names with the number: mountain, river, hill, plain, forest, sea. First of all, you color this picture and match these words like mountain with mountain, river. Here we have the word river, hill, plain, forest, sea. First of all, you color it and then you match all these things. Look at B part. Look at the page 63 and fill in the blanks. There is dash on the mountain tops. There is snow on the mountain tops. Rivers flow into the lakes and seas. 3. There are rivers on the hills. The earth is shaped like a huge ball. Look at your C part. Find out the names of the sea by the coastline of Pakistan. Find out the names of 3 rivers in Pakistan. Okay, here we have the names of sea: Karachi Port, Gwadar Port, Port Qasim. And here we have the names of rivers: Indus River, like Ravi, Sutlej. Color in the earth: use blue for the seas and green for the land. It is also you have colored this picture of earth and their parts. Things you can do: draw your own picture of the earth, put in some land and some water. Look at a globe. How much land do you see? How much water do you see? Which is more? Okay. On the earth, there is 71% water and 29% land. So which is more? The area of water is much more than the area of land. Now look at your page number 65. Today our topic is in the sky. At night the sky is dark. When it is dark you can see the stars and moon at night. And they are very far away. And in the daytime you can see the sky. It looks blue. You can see white clouds floating by and you can also see the white clouds. And the sun shines brightly during the day. It gives light and warmth to our planet Earth. Sometimes the sky is cloudy you know, you all of you know we have different weather: cloudy, rainy, hot weather. So the sky is also sometimes cloudy. Never look directly at the sun. If precautions, it will hurt your eyes. Birds can fly high up in the sky. Aeroplanes fly even higher, and aeroplanes and the helicopter also even fly very high. Did you know hot air balloons were invented in France in 1783? Look at this picture. There is a hot air balloon and it is invented in France in 1783. The first passenger to travel in a hot air balloon were a sheep, a duck, and a rooster, and these are the first passenger in a hot air balloon. Okay, here we have a question: describe what you can see in the sky during the day. During the daytime we can see clouds, the sun, and now look at your question number 2. Describe what you can see in the sky at night. In the sky at night, the sky is dark and we can see the stars and moon. Our national flag has something you can see at night on it. What is it? Moon and star. Now look at your page number 66. Here are some other things we can see in the sky. Write the names and color the picture. A kite. Where is a kite? Here. Here's a kite. You also color the picture and you write it here, a kite. This is an aeroplane, you write it an aeroplane here. This is a bird, you write it a bird here and color it this picture. And this is a helicopter and you write it helicopter on it here. Now look at your page number 67. Here we have some blanks. Number 1 is the sky is high up the earth. It is dark at night. We can see the stars and moon only at night. Now look at your C part. Look at the diagram and make a proper glider. How far can it glide? Okay. This is activity time, so we can do it in the classroom. Draw a picture of the earth and what you can see in it. Write about the things you can see in the sky. Okay, this is also your homework. You make the picture of sky and you write what you can see in it, and you also write about the things you can see in the sky. Okay, so your homework is do all these chapter and read it. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.